Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to add a background video to your Webflow site. It's perfect for hero sections, headers, or dynamic landing pages. So first things first, search Webflow in any search engine that you use and click on the first link that pops up right here. Next is to open your project and head into the Webflow Designer. From the Add panel, drag in the background video element and place it inside your desired section or div block. Click on Upload Video and upload your MP4 file. Make sure your video is under 30 MB because that is the Webflow's limit. So once you uploaded your video, it will now process it and add it here in this section. You can now adjust the size, add padding, or layer, or other content like text or buttons right on top of the video. And that's it! You've added a smooth, looping background video to your Webflow site in just a few steps. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips.